The next level of organization is the organs. The objective of this video is to describe how tissues are arranged into organs. An organ is a combination of tissues that are coordinated to perform a variety of functions together, all while having one predominant major function. The stomach is an organ. It is involved in digestion of certain types of food. In this organ, that is the stomach, we have the following types of tissues. We have muscle tissue that is used to mechanically break down the food and mix the contents of the stomach. We have epithelial tissue that protects the stomach wall as well as produces secretions of certain juices used in digestion. And we have connective tissue to hold together the other tissues. These are different types of tissues that come together to perform the function of digesting certain types of food in the organ that is the stomach. That is in animals. In plants, the leaf is an organ, and it is made up of the following tissues. There is an epidermis, or epidermal tissue, that protects the leaf and allows the diffusion of gases into and out of the leaf. There is a palisade mesophyll tissue made up of palisade cells that are responsible for photosynthesis. There is a spongy mesophyll tissue that is responsible for diffusion of gases. There's the xylem that transports water and ions into the leaf. And there is phloem that transports the organic materials made from photosynthesis away from the leaf and to the different parts of the plant. These 5 tissues that are different from each other come together in the leaf organ to perform a function. These 5 different types of plant tissues come together in the organ that is the leaf to perform the function of photosynthesis. It's not easy to determine which structures are organs. Like, for example, blood capillaries. They are not organs, but arteries and veins are organs. Blood capillaries, like arteries and veins, are blood vessels. However, they're not organs. The difference is that capillaries are made up of one type of tissue, which is epithelial tissue, whereas arteries and veins are made up of different tissues, including epithelial tissues and muscle tissues. So the key is that organs are made of different types of tissues that come together for one function.